Welcome back to YouTube How To. I'm your guide, Andrea Jean. Today I'm going to show you how to easily change your YouTube channel name. I have done this so many times. I manage multiple channels here. I'll just give you an example, as you can see here, and several of these channels have changed names. So let's dive into it. I will also show you how to do this on your phone, both an Android and an iOS iPhone. So let's go ahead today here and change the channel name for this Andrea Jean Morning Motivation channel. This is a channel that I created about 2 years ago, uploaded a few videos on there and didn't really do much with it after that. So here we are on this channel. I'm going to go back up to the avatar on the right hand side, and this time I want to select settings right here. The little gear, you see it's kind of a little bit more than halfway down. Click settings. And it's gonna launch you into this page right here. One thing you want to pay attention to is that you are signed in with the correct email address. If you have one Gmail account, you don't need to worry about that, but the correct email address where you would want to put the channel. There's two ways that you can do this. You can go ahead and click Edit on Google, and it will take you to this page right here. It says name Andrea Jean Morning Motivation. Let's go ahead and edit this. Now, if yours looks a little bit different, I'll explain that in a second. You may just have the option to put a first name and a last name, and that means that you are on a personal account. This right here is a brand account. So I'm going to go like this, test channel. Let's say this is what I wanted to name this channel, test channel number 2. I'd go ahead and click save. Go back here. Go back. Let's go ahead and just do a little bit of a refresh here. Alrighty. And we can see it, test channel 2, go to your channel, and then there we go, test channel 2. Let me show you another option here. Again, we're going to go to settings when you click the avatar in the top right hand side. Now, like I had mentioned here, if you just have the option when you click Edit on Google to do a first name and last name, that means you have a personal account. Depending if you are just starting on YouTube, I would quickly change that over to a brand account, and you would do that by going to Advanced Settings, or you can just go ahead and start a brand new brand account from your personal account, if that makes any sense. So let's say you just started doing YouTube, you haven't uploaded any videos, you notice that you have a personal account. This is what I would do next. Click this option right here, it says add or manage your channel. There's an option here that says create a new channel in the top left hand side, and it will automatically launch you into this. To create a brand new channel, create a brand account, and you would put whatever name you want here. Click create, and then you will have a brand new channel. Just like you see here, that's how I created all of these ones. Let me go back here for a second. Now, what can be a little bit confusing is I was confused when I first started doing YouTube, personal account versus a brand account. Brand account's awesome because you can put whatever name that you want here. Other people can help upload for you, manage your channel. You just have a bit more freedom and flexibility when it comes to a brand account rather than a personal account. Now, if you have a personal account and you have a lot of videos on there, go through this advanced setting option, go ahead and switch it over to a brand account. I will make a separate YouTube video about that, but just beware that you will lose comments as you transition your personal channel to a brand account channel, okay? The other way that you could get to this right here, you could just go to youtube.com and you can go to channel and you can go to _ switcher. And it will bring you to this page right here. This could save you some steps and some clicks if you wanted to. Again, that's youtube.com/channel_switcher. Now let's go ahead and let's say I wanted to change this channel name back. I'm going to edit on Google. And here's the name, test channel 2. And we're going to go like this. Andrea Jean Morning Motivation. Click save. We'll go back and back and back again. And there we go. We can see it turn back to Andrea Jean Morning Motivation. Now let me go into the phone next so I can show you how to do this exact same process, because I know many of you are creating YouTube channels on your phone. I did that 100% when I first started as well. Here we are on my phone. Now here's the YouTube app. You do not want to go into the YouTube app. Let me just show you here really quick, because you will not be able to change your channel name going anywhere in here. If you go up here, it's just not going to work out for you. There's just not an option to be able to do that. If I went to settings, it's going to take you to this page right here, and that's not the settings that we want. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to go to your browser. I have Safari here. If you are an Android, you're going to use Firefox. And what I'm going to do is it's going to launch me to YouTube. You can see it's launched me back into the app. YouTube likes to do that. If you have the AA option here, you're going to go ahead and click that, and then you're going to click Request Desktop Website. Here we are in the desktop version. Pretty cool. So I'm going to scroll over here to my avatar. That's not what I wanted to do. And I'm going to go to settings. If this is the channel that I wanted to change the channel name on, Andrea Jean Morning Motivation. And it launches me to this page right here. Again, you could type in your browser, youtube.com channel or /channel_switcher if you wanted to. And again, what you're going to do, assuming you have a brand account at this point, you're going to edit on Google. And this gets you to the same place that we did right here, where you would go ahead and change that and change your name to whatever you wanted to right in this space. Okay. Now let's say you don't have these A's here, and I will show you how to do that. Let me just exit out of here. A lot of stuff going on. Go into your web browser. Again, Android, you're going to want to use Firefox, and then I'm going to go into settings, and I'm going to choose my web browser. I'm looking for Safari. Let's see, I think I passed it. There we go. And then I want to go into Request Desktop Website. That's a mouthful. You're going to have something like this on Android as well. And I'm going to turn it to green. The other thing that you want to make sure is turned on in your advanced settings, your JavaScript. Let's go ahead and launch YouTube again. Here we are in the desktop version. So again, I would just go up to my avatar, settings, launches you right to the page that you need in order to change that. You could also, if you wanted to, if you go to add or manage your channels, this is where again where you create a brand new channel. I couldn't put myself on airplane mode while I created this because I needed the internet. Or if I wanted to change the channel to this meditation channel, then it would launch me into that channel. But again, just make sure you're signed in under the correct email address. If you have one email address, then that is no big deal. You don't have to worry about that. If we're not friends on Instagram, make sure you come over and say hello at Andrea Jean Co. I teach women how to turn their passions into profits, and this channel is one way that I do that. I also share real numbers with you on my business building journey here. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.